Hi friends, welcome back to Edible Vibes. Today we have a fantastically delicious dish for you. We are going to make chili pork. Now you can have this with fried rice or just plain rice. I have given my kids this with chapati and other rotis. It is delicious. You can even serve this as an appetizer. You just have to make it drier than usual. So let's get started. In a bowl, take 500 grams of diced pork. I have used pork belly, but you can use pork loin as well. Pork belly does in fact give more flavor. You can do a mix of both as well. To this, add 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, two tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 egg, and salt to taste. Mix well and let this marinate for a minimum of 1 hour to overnight. So I prefer marinating it overnight. When you leave it overnight, the marinade really reaches deep into the meat and flavors the meat well. When you're ready to make the chili pork, take a deep bottom frying pan and pour enough oil to fry the pork. Spoon in the marinated pork and fry it in batches. While frying the pork, keep the flame on medium since we do not want to burn the batter. If you feel the oil is too hot or cold, you can adjust the heat accordingly. Try to fry it in small batches so that you get all the pieces nice and crispy. Once fried, drain them on a plate with a tissue to absorb excess oil. Now be warned that while frying these, you and your family will be tempted to nibble on them. My kids come in and out of the kitchen and we generally end up with half the pork that we started with. The pork has been fried and is ready. Now we shall make the gravy. First, we will make the corn flour slurry. To half cup of water, mix 1 tablespoon corn flour and mix well. Set aside. Take a deep bottom pan or a wok. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Then on a high flame, once the oil has come to smoking point, add 1 inch of ginger thinly sliced, 15 cloves of garlic roughly chopped, 3 spring onions or green onions, 3 green chilies roughly chopped. Saute until the aromatics are no longer raw. Then add 1 onion cut into 1-inch size pieces. Add 1/2 of a green, red and yellow pepper cut into 1-inch size pieces. Saute this on high heat until the onions become translucent and peppers par cook. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 teaspoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon vinegar, and salt to taste, and mix well. Make sure to add the soy sauce first, because when soy sauce hits the hot pan, it caramelizes and adds more flavor to the dish. Once all the sauces have been mixed well, add half a cup of water. I'm making this dish semi-dry. If you want the curry to be thinner in consistency, you can add up to 1 cup of water. Add the pork in and mix well. Add the cornstarch slurry and let it cook till the gravy has thickened. Mix well. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon sugar to round off all the flavors. Mix well. Garnish with some more green onions. And your chili pork is now ready to be served. This is such a delicious dish, and it is so versatile. It can be a side dish or an appetizer. The leftovers can be used to make a sandwich or a wrap. So please do try it. I hope you like this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe for more recipes from us. Until next time, happy cooking.